Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, I would like to introduce my team. My name is Muhammad Abid Fazapur Hadi and my friend's name is Fatahillah Firzalai. We are from Al-Uswa Integrated Islamic Junior High School, Surabaya. Here, I want to explain about our scientific paper that entitled Radar or Arabic cardboard. Arabic is one of the international language. A part of being the language of the world, Arabic is also used in the holy book of Muslims, namely the Qur'an. This is the reason many people want to learn Arabic. Nowadays, many people are studying Arabic, but few can speak Arabic fluently. Generally, Arabic learning in Indonesia is carried out in an education place, both formal and informal, such as Islamic boarding schools, madrasah, TPQ or Taman Pendidikan Qur'an, and course sites. Although many people want to learn Arabic, most people have difficulty in the learning process because of the unsupportive learning atmosphere, complex Arabic words, etc. These are some of the things that underlie us for making Radar or Arabic cardboard, which is packaged in the form of a simple board game that is fun and can make it easier for users to understand Arabic. Radar making process. The tools needed to make Radar are scissors, ruler, pencils, colored pencils, black marker, and glue. The materials needed to make Radar are drawing book paper, photo paper, and duplex cardboard or cardboard. The making process. First, draw a game board on photo paper with a pencil. Second, thicken the drawing of the board on the photo paper with a black marker. Third, cut photo paper into the shape of the game board. Fourth, after cutting, glue the game board to the duplex cardboard or cardboard with glue. Fifth, draw the pounds characters on the drawing book paper. Sixth, cut the paper according to the pound image. 7th, glue the pounds to the cardboard duplex or cardboard with glue. 8th, make small rectangular pieces of cardboard and glue them to the pounds that are already attached to the cardboard so that the pounds can stand. 9th, draw cards and Arabic question on paper, then cut them according to the pattern you made. 10th, color cards, pounds, and the game board with colored pencils.
The procedure to play Radar. First, both teams of players perform rock, paper, scissors. Second, the team that wins the rock, paper, scissors step forward by one step. Third, after step forward, the player will check the mark on the board. Fourth, there are 3 different types of symbol. Running spell, attack spell, and special spells. 5. Player will be attacked one card with the same symbol as the symbol on the board. 6. If it is running spell, the player has to answer the question written on the card. If the player can answer the question correctly, the player will get additional steps as written on the card. 7. If it is attack spell, the player will give the card to the enemy teams. The enemy teams has to answer the question written on the card. If the enemy team can answer the question correctly, the enemy team will get additional step as written on the card. But if the enemy team can answer the question, the attack spell will be placed in the enemy deck and once the enemy deck filled with the 3 cards, the enemy deck will be unable to step forward. If it's a special spell, the player has to read on the card 2 times. After that, the player that the read will get additional step as written on the card. 9. The winner of radar game is the team or player that successfully occupies the enemy area.
Result. Once finished, radar product can be used as effective and interesting Arabic language learning media that is fun both at school and at home. Radar can increase student enthusiasm of learning Arabic. Radar can be played by 1 until 4 people. Besides of being an Arabic language learning media, this board game can also be a fun game for families and for those of you who want to spend free time with friends and relatives. In conclusion, first, Arabic learning methods with games are learning methods that students prefer. Second, radar is an effective, interesting Arabic learning method and also can increase enthusiasm for learning Arabic. Third, radar can add insight about Arabic for both laymen and had already learned Arabic. The future work. We created a new version of the radar product with the adventure theme and different board game shape. This version of board game has a circle board shape and the cards are made in the shape of an envelope. In addition to making board game in adventure in genre, we also plan to make it a product that is easy to produce so that this product can become a commercial product. We hope that this board game can help the learning process for students and adults who want to learn Arabic. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.